back. It's been about 1.5 minutes only. 2 minutes. These bad boys are going to be done. Look at them. Beautiful orange shrimp. Look at that. That's what you're looking for. That beautiful color like that. 1.5 minutes. You don't want to overcook them. Alright, so that's it. Come over here. You get, before, earlier I didn't talk about this colander. I always forget the colander. The colander always gets forgetting utensils. Anyway, put your colander so you can drain them. Put it in your sink. Just grab this like so. Don't burn yourself. Go slowly. Now the little bits of rosemary and stuff like that, don't worry because we're going to wash them right off. The bay leaf we're going to pull off. And we're just going to give it a quick rinse under some cold water. Oh, they smell so good. Pick out any bay leaf you might have. And what you want to do is just get a fresh bowl, like so. And just give them a quick rinse and put them right into your bowl. This way you get off any rosemary. Oh, these shrimp are so big and beautiful. Go out and make sure you get fresh shrimp because let me tell you, if you give your friends bad shrimp, they're going to hate you. If you give them good ones, they're going to love you. You give them a nice shrimp cocktail with a glass of wine when they come over for dinner, they're going to say, wow, Rich, or that's what they say to me. Everyone knows I cook, but let me tell you guys, do this for your girl, and you'll be thanking me. Shrimp cocktail there on Expert Village.